Hello, this is going to be a different session where we are going to learn Sarigama Padanisa in keyboard. Okay, so what I have written here, different keys. Let me just try to explain to you. So we can see music becomes easier when we learn it with an instrument, and the easiest instrument is keyboard. Okay, and if you don't have a keyboard at home, we can use your phone to install this app for keyboard. There are a lot of piano apps, so we can practice with keyboard. It will simplify our work. Okay, so here I'm going to teach you what are all these different keys. So you can see this, I have written different keys here, right? So there are let me explain to you this sa and pa here, the sa and this pa and this sa. Okay, so this sa, all these things are called constants. Okay, they don't have any subdivisions in them, whereas re, ga, ma, the and ni, they all have variable, they are all variables. Okay, they have we can have a re1, re2, re3, ga1, ga2, ga3, ma1, ma2. Okay, ma has two variables, ma1 and ma2. The has three variables, the1, the2, the3, and ni also has three variables, ni1, ni2, and ni3. Okay, so you can see here I have written re2 and ga1 in one key, so both are the same. Okay, likewise here I have not written anything because with black you will not be able to see. However, let me explain in my video. This is sa key. Okay, this is re1. Okay, this is re2 or ga1. This is re3 or ga2. Okay, this is ga3. This is ma1, as you can see. This is ma2. Okay, this is pa. Okay, then this is the 1. Okay, this is the 2 or ni 1. This is the 3 or ni 2. This is ni 3 and sa. So this sa and this sa both are the same. Okay, we are just doing a lower octave and an upper octave. For example, in Maya Malavagaula, the Swaram Aroganam Avaroganam goes like sa, re 1, ga 3, ma 1, pa, the 1, ni 3 and sa. Let me play it for you so that you can understand it better. Okay, so sa, re 1, ga 3, ma 1, pa, the 1, ni 3, sa, ni 3, the 1, pa, ma, ga 3 and re 1, sa. Okay, this is what is your Maya Malavagaula, Aroganam and Avaroganam. Okay, so we can play Sarali Varisai, we can play Janta Varisai. Okay, Sarali Varisai, let's see the second one. Sari, 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 gama, sari, gama, pada, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Okay, likewise you can practice your Sarali Varisai, Janda Varisai, Dhatu Varisai, Alankaram, everything in keyboard. Okay, it's not difficult, it will be fun. So you can get more familiar on the Maya Malavagaula Ragam. Let's come across different ragams in the coming videos. Thank you for watching, but try to practice with the keyboard. It will be of it's more fun and it's also of good use to you. Thank you.